So let's start with some cream cheese right here. It's softened to room temperature. It's been out a couple hours now. I like the Philadelphia for this one because it's extra creamy. It just is. If I can find it on sale, then that's what I use. Let's open that up and get it put in there. A little bit of ranch powder to taste, but I wouldn't do any more but about a tablespoon, maybe a little more, or whatever you got left in your little bag there from your last recipe. Fork, mash her up good. So this part is optional, or you can use green onion. I just really like white onion in everything. So I'm just going to use a little bit, like, what, an eighth of an onion, an eighth of a medium onion, something like that. A couple of tablespoons. But the key is you want to dice it very, very small. You can use your food processor, but when you do that, you typically get a lot of the water, and it'll make your cheese very runny. So I just slice it very, very small. Alright, y'all, so that is going to do it for this video. We have this cheese dip. Gosh, we've been having it for about 10 years now, every fall and winter. Kind of a stick to your ribs kind of snack, or an hors d'oeuvre, lunch, dinner, however you want to have it. But right there, that's it. If you enjoyed this quick video today, give me a thumbs up, please. Subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you stick around, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, my friends. May God always bless you.